Hi there, my name is Janet Madsen, and I'm going to be pitching to you today about a product called Pop Fizz. Every single day, there's hundreds of people who line up at soda shops, drive-throughs, and purchase their daily dose of their pop or soda or drink. However, this costs the people a lot of money and it takes time out of their day, especially people who need to get somewhere, like dropping off their kids or going to work. So I have a solution to this, Pop Fizz, which is a packet that contains all the flavorings, creams, and purees that go into these drinks they buy at the drink shop. You could just buy these packets and then have your soda on hand, whatever you'd like to use. You pop open a can of your soda, mix in the packet, and you have your drink in a cheaper and more time efficient way. I estimate that just in the vicinity of Rexburg, there's in between 1,500 and 2,500 people who go and get a drink every single day. And that's just in the little town of Rexburg. If you extrapolate that to other areas of Idaho and in Utah, this could be a really big product and could serve a lot of value in people in saving people time and money to get their special drinks. Thanks.